Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Bianca. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post new videos, and that's on Wednesdays and Saturdays. But if you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please give this video a thumbs up. So today I'm gonna try to make my own birthday cake. I'm not really good at cooking and baking and stuff, so hopefully the cake comes out good. So here's the video. So guys, this is what my cake looks like.
Yeah, it can look kind of good, but look at these. Oh my god, kind kinda look beautiful, guys. This kinda look beautiful, but look at these. Oh my god.
You guys can be the judge. Which one, you can comment below which one of the cakes you think look better.
No, I think mine look good. Cause look at this biscuit. This
No, why would you not, Gina?
This doesn't even.
It looks much better than hers, and that's dog food. That is dog food. I wouldn't eat that. I wouldn't even try that.
Taste one. This doesn't even taste good, honestly.
It's just a cookie.
I don't care it's a part of the cake.
It's a cookie. Oh.
I'm still
So
gonna eat my
guys,
cake, guys. Honestly, I'm still gonna eat it.
Don't forget to hit the like button.
This is
What you made there? That's dog food.
oh my god. Let me just
No,
spit it.
you're not supposed. You're not supposed to spit it out. You're not supposed to eat it. Jada, spit it out. Think this is a work of art. You guys can be the judge. Just comment below which cake you think looks best.
S or B. Just say that. Just say
Just leave that in the comment. S or B. B for Bianca, cakes look good. Or S for dog food, I guess.
No. Okay, guys.
Yeah. So yeah, but you guys can be the judge.
No. Yeah.
My cakes look much better than yours.
No, girl. Sorry. Happy birthday.
Don't forget to like,
Comment and subscribe.
subscribe,
I have us to
hit
get
the
to 10K.
notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. So guys, in order for us to reach 10K subscribers, you guys need to subscribe. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we post new videos. And sorry about the air conditioner again. So yeah,
Bye.
and give that video a
I
thumbs